Alright, Vikings, let's get you flying. Toothless, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drawing. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view without all the chafing from their scales.
Oh,
my brain!
Yeah, this would be a great place to stop. You know, stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. But all joking aside, you really can't be here when these instruments. Oh, not good.
here we go!
Picture time!
Victor! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Get it!
Your flying was very impressive, and I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Burke, you just stop by. We'll be glad.